I started this company in 2020, February the 2nd, right before COVID, and was able to launch Lemonade Property Services. And so we are now coming up, completing here our 5th year.
So what does Lemonade entail? Like, how do you help homeowners and investors specifically?
Yeah. So in property care and home maintenance, one of the single greatest problems that people have is they don't know who to call and they don't know who to trust. I mean, you're literally letting somebody into your home. So one of the areas that I help is, number one, I give you a person to call. It's basically a trust building business. We're here for the life of your home and we want to maintain it. And we want you to always use Lemonade. And so we want to be most professional, most efficient, and most polite in everything that we do. And in the long run, we'll win together.